highlights of the second innings then. The way it's all started, it never looked good for USA. They kept on losing wickets at the wrong times and they were never really in the run chase. They did try to put on some partnership, but they always fell short in terms of staying out there in the middle, thanks to some brilliant bowling performance from the Nepal bowlers. We saw Dipendra Singh Ari getting wickets. Sandeep Lamichhane yet again was phenomenal in his bowling, ensured that he keeps them on their toes and really put pressure on the fielders, on the batters of USA as well. The partnerships were never right there, and while the spinners dominated in this game, it was always going to be tough to maintain that run rate as well. Sanjay Krishnamurthy, the only batter who put on some fight in that USA batting lineup, scored a 50, but the others just could not hold on, and in the end it was all about Nepal and their bowlers and the way they bowled and fielded. They came out with intensity. The spinners delivered yet again. Raj Banshi among the wickets, and so was Sandeep Lamichhane. Sanjay Krishnamurthy, he, like I said, was really impressive, showed what he can do with the bat, and is definitely a bright prospect for USA in the future as well. They were never going to get there. It was all about surviving in the middle. They took 41 or 42 overs, and while they did try to play or bat as long as they could, in the end it was never going to be enough. They only didn't do. Well, they came out and they did what they do best, take wickets. Sompal Kami, the first wicket belonged to him in the very first over. Sandeep Lamichhane came in the 11th and immediately had an impact as well. Got a wicket in his first over too. Irie then got the wicket of Shehan Jayasuriya through the gates of his bat and pad, and the ball crashed into the stumps. Milind Kumar had no clue of the wrong one, and Sandeep Lamichhane did his magic with the ball. Lalit Raj Banshi was not too far away as well. He too was amongst the wickets, and while these spinners bowled, they ensured that they kept on taking wickets almost every over. And Rohit, he was absolutely overjoyed by that catch and that wicket of Lalit Raj Banshi's bowling. These two, they do enjoy their time out in the middle. Gulshan Jha came in to bowl and then took the wicket of Sanjay Krishnamurthy as well. Saurabh fell quickly, and that was another wicket for Gulshan Jha with his bouncer, and that was the last wicket to fall. Kushal Bhurtel taking the catch in the deep. So that's the bowling performance of Team Nepal. Sompal Kami got a wicket, 2 wickets for Raj Banshi, 2 for Dipendra Singh Ari, 2 for Gulshan Jha. So everyone contributed with the ball. The pick of the bowlers was, of course, Sandeep Lamichhane getting 3 wickets in his 10 overs and conceding just 30 runs.